Prime Minister Narendra Modi is visiting Nice. I have with me some excited members of Indian diaspora who are waiting to meet Prime Minister. Let's hear from them. What are their thoughts?
Modi ji being here for the Bharat Innovates makes me immense pride for my country, and I really feel proud to give a hate for our country and be part of this big event and be part of this amazing evening today.
Nothing like this has ever happened during my time here, so it's incredibly exciting, and it's lovely to see so many people from the community who live in and around Nice to be present today to give our Prime Minister a big welcome.
He has done extremely well in terms of international relations, and I'm a big fan, as you can see.
I'm excited that Modi is coming to Nice.
I have come to meet Mr. Narendra Modi. He is one of the greatest Prime Minister of our India.
Welcome Modi ji to France. I'm here to watch Modi ji.
So we see a cross-section of Indian diaspora from different parts of India, from different parts of France, all gathered here to welcome Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who should be reaching shortly, with camera person Aniket Dubey, Shubhendu Ghosh for DD India in Nice.
I'm getting emotional that he is here, and I want to thank him personally for his amazing win in West Bengal and the way he's coming and promoting all of us.
I'm very big fan of Modi ji. My family support Modi ji a lot. And there are too many things Modi ji is doing for the nation, which is really good. And Jai Hind.
Very excited to see Mr. Prime Minister Modi, and very happy to wish him and meet and greet.
We are very excited to see PM Narendra Modi, and my son, he is going to see him for the first time, so it's really amazing experience it's going to be.
I'm very excited to meet Modi ji.
It's very nice to see Mr. Modi here, because it's a matter of pride that he's coming here, and looking forward to the conference also that he will be inaugurating tomorrow. And all the Indian community is very happy to see him in southern France, in Nice.
I love Modi ji.
This is my second time I'm meeting Modi ji, and my baby is also second time, so we are really excited. Thank you Modi ji for all what you do.